Hey everyone! Today we are talking about GlyNAC. GlyNAC is a combination of the amino acids glycine and N-acetylcysteine. A study published in the journal Nutrients in 2022 by researchers at Baylor College of Medicine found that this inexpensive supplement extended the lifespan of mice by 40%. The researchers started the experiment when the mice were 65 weeks old. This age is equivalent to humans in their 40s. One group ate normal food, while the other group received GlyNAC in their food. The human equivalent dose is 2 to 3 grams of each amino acid daily. All mice in the control group died by week 121. Every mouse in the GlyNAC group survived until week 169. GlyNAC increased the maximum lifespan by 40% compared to the control group. GlyNAC works by raising glutathione levels in your cells. Glutathione is a molecule that enzymes need to remove toxins from the body. The supplement restored glutathione in older mice to levels normally seen in young animals. Taking GlyNAC daily restores your glutathione to more youthful levels and reduces oxidative stress throughout your body. GlyNAC also activated a molecular switch that tells cells to produce more mitochondria. Mitochondria are the parts of the cell that turn nutrients into energy. The supplement also boosted an enzyme that breaks down old and damaged mitochondria. This cleanup gives you more healthy energy producers and fewer leaking toxic cell parts. Rajagopal from Baylor College of Medicine also tested GlyNAC in humans. In a study published in Antioxidants in 2022, 10 people with type 2 diabetes took GlyNAC every day for 2 weeks. The participants took 1 gram of glycine and 1 gram of NAC for every 10 kilograms of body weight. GlyNAC increased carbohydrate oxidation by 30%. This means cells became much better at absorbing and using glucose from the blood. Insulin resistance dropped by 22% in just 2 weeks. People with type 2 diabetes use GlyNAC to improve blood sugar control and overall metabolism. Glycine alone also extends lifespan according to research from the University of Michigan. Scientists fed mice a diet containing 8% glycine for their entire lives. Both male and female mice in this group lived 4 to 6% longer than mice eating standard food. You get these benefits by taking glycine by itself without the extra supplement. Glycine is a semi-essential amino acid. The body produces it by converting other amino acids, but often cannot make enough to meet demand. Daily intake of 10 grams eliminates this deficiency. The powder dissolves easily in water and has a mild sweet flavor. Scientists know that aging brings mitochondrial dysfunction and oxidative stress and inflammation and insulin resistance. GlyNAC attacks all of these issues through one central pathway. Taking one affordable supplement addresses multiple aging pathways at the same time. This makes GlyNAC a practical and efficient choice for daily longevity support. GlyNAC is far less expensive than other popular anti-aging supplements. Those other products cost between $30 and $80 per month. Glycine and NAC together cost about $10 monthly. This low cost makes advanced longevity support accessible to nearly everyone. People who want to try GlyNAC, the animal study suggests a daily dose of 2 to 3 grams of glycine with 2 to 3 grams of NAC. Both components are sold separately as dietary supplements. Glycine powder mixes easily into water or juice. NAC is widely available in capsule form at most supplement retailers. People who prefer a simpler approach can take glycine alone at 10 grams daily. This dosage is safe and well tolerated by most individuals. You must avoid NAC if you have an active stomach ulcer, because it irritates the condition. NAC also interacts with nitroglycerin, so do not combine these two substances. GlyNAC combines 2 inexpensive amino acids that extended the lifespan of mice by 40% through higher glutathione and better mitochondrial function. Human trials show that GlyNAC also improves glucose use and slashes insulin resistance in people with diabetes. You can take 2 to 3 grams of each amino acid daily or use 10 grams of glycine alone for a simpler protocol. These supplements offer a low-cost way to target the major drivers of aging at once. Thank you for watching, everyone. I will see you next time.